Hello everyone and welcome back. We are now into module 3 of the course, and here we're talking about how generative AI is disrupting lot of industries. As I mentioned earlier also, there is an invention that comes across once in a decade that is such a game changer, and it seeks to impact every industry, every way of human interaction and working. Clearly, generative AI is that technology. It is the invention of the decade. So the objective behind having this module in the course is to show you what is the potential of generative AI in some sectors, what are the common use cases that can be solved, and what benefit it brings. So whichever industry you are working on, whether it is covered in here or not, the idea is to plant this thought in your mind about what all is possible, and then I will expect you go back, think about your area of work, and see how you can utilize generative AI in there. That's my entire thought process, and we will keep it a very practically oriented session. Now, before we start, just a word of advice. People look at generative AI from a new lens, but it's not like it can be used only for new use cases. Many existing use cases like chatbot, predictive marketing, sentiment analysis, they have all been in the market for a long time and handled through conventional AI systems, but they further optimized using generative AI. So keep in mind your existing use cases also and think about how generative AI can enhance them further. Okay, so let's start with the industry, and you guys keep your innovation hats on. I am sure you will find lots of ideas that you can use. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.